This is Alfred with his new boat prototype for the Filomi Days boat race. It's a standard pontoon boat with styrofoam on the sides. The propulsion system's something different. Alfred, how does it work?
Well, what you got is pontoon, of course, and we're going to have an accordion here in the center. The front one has fins going in, and as they retract, they will be pulling, and the other one will be pushing, and when they retract, they will be folding. So you always have a motion going forward and backwards. Plus, the accordion gives you that extra distance that you don't get with a paddle.
All right. It won't support your weight?
No.
Alfred has made one that will hold his weight, though. It's Big Brother.
Ta-da! Made in Canada. Filomi Days boat race. We are ready. Not quite. This is just a prototype. So we'll put it in the water. Again, same thing, catamaran. Styrofoam.
And this should demonstrate how the accordion paddles work a bit better than the miniature.
That's correct. So now we gotta see if it's gonna hold my weight. If not, I'll have to add one more layer of styrofoam. I didn't pay my insurance.
Oh, it's fine. Don't talk about that on camera.
You want to hang on to this in case I don't come back. There we go. To those of us who are about to embark, we salute you. Well, well, well. It's not bad at all.
Pretty stable?
Yeah, the paddles are the right height. So this will work like an accordion. Cool. Look at that. Of course, you gotta put some cables and the ways to stabilize, but that's it. 2024 Filomi Days boat race. I'm gonna win. Ciao.